So, Mindy, what's all that junk in your hands?
Oh, I just had another bad idea, Guy Raz.
Eggs? Oh no, you're not planning to 3D print pancakes again?
Not this time. I broke the 3D printer. Guy Raz, I just need you to give me a little hand with something here. I need to see if you could help me get this egg up here into this glass of water down there.
Oh,
okay?
that's no problem at all.
Okay.
Oh,
No. But you can't touch the egg.
Okay, well, no problem at all. Well, then
Or you can't touch the toilet paper tube.
Okay, well then
Or you can't touch the glass or the water.
Well, if I can't touch the egg, and I can't touch the toilet tube, and I can't touch the glass, I could touch the pie tin!
So I'm hearing you want to take a whack at the pie tin?
I think you're talking about Sir Isaac Newton's first law of motion!
Oh, you mean the theory that objects in motion want to stay in motion, and that objects that are still want to stay still?
Well, precisely. So if I could apply enough force to that pie tin, well, I would set that egg in motion and gravity would do the rest of the work and pull it down into the water.
So you're telling me you want to take a whack at the pie tin?
I think I've got to take a whack at this pie tin.
Wowzers in the audience? Do you think that if Guy Raz whacks this pie tin, he'll be able to successfully get this egg into this glass of water? Sir Isaac Newton, if you're out there and you approve of this, will you send us a sign?
You go, Guy.
All right,
Okay,
guess you gotta
Mindy.
take a whack at the pie tin. Okay, ready? Count down with me now. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Wow! Can we get this in slow-mo? See her in instant replay. Oh my! Wow!
Wow! Mindy, I
You
did it! Mindy! Wow!
You did it once, buddy.
Oh.
See, scientists have to try their experiments more than once to make sure that their findings are consistent.
That's true.
So, I need our citizen scientists from the audience to come on up to the stage and try this one more time. I'm looking for Ellie from San Francisco.
Ellie, come on
where are
down.
you? Come on down, Ellie! Hi. Hello, Ellie!
Okay.
Ellie, would you like a drink? Don't drink this. Don't drink anything I ever give you.
Ellie, have you done this experiment before?
No.
Never
Okay.
done it before.
All right,
Are
Ellie.
you familiar with Isaac Newton's first law of motion?
Are you familiar with Sir Isaac Newton? Like, do you guys hang out?
No.
Okay.
Not yet. Okay,
That was a
well,
trick
we'll
question.
introduce you next time he's in town.
Okay.
All right.
Ellie, are you ready for this?
Yeah?
Now, what are you gonna whack?
You're going to whack the...
Pie tin. You're gonna take a big whack at the side of it.
that, okay.
And go nuts. You can really whack it, okay?
All right.
Okay. All right. Let's cheer her on, everyone. On the count of 1, 2, 3. Whack!
You did it!
Look at
Yes!
this champion!
Yes!
Amazing
We
job,
did
Ellie.
it!
Amazing.
Mindy, we replicated the experiment just like real live scientists. It's incredible. Ellie, thank you so much for helping us prove Sir Isaac Newton's first law of motion. Mindy, thank you so much for setting up the experiment. And I want to thank everybody here today for coming to see our show. And it was so fun to be here.
Guy
And,
Raz,
yes?
the show's not over.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Oh.
Listen, you and Ellie had what it takes to knock these eggs into their glasses when you tried it one time in a row.
That's true.
But do you have what it takes to do it 100 times in a row?
Whoa!
What you are
Wow.
looking at are 300 egg drop experiments.
Wow.
This is a race, Ellie. Guy Raz, I challenge each of you to knock all of your eggs into their glasses and to be the first to do so. Because when you are, the first person is going to hit their red bullseye that will in turn launch this pie into Dennis's face!
Wow!
I thought this was my dressing room!
But Guy Razzie!
Mindy, we built a machine to pie Dennis in the face!
I know, isn't it a dream come true?
Wow!
It's also a huge waste of resources!
That too. All right, Guy Razzie,
Yes?
I got a little scientific variable for you.
Okay.
You are going to do it blindfolded.
Again?
Again!
Are you sure this is a good idea, Mindy?
Oh, why, yes, of course I'm not sure this is a good idea, Sir Isaac Newton. As
Save us,
usual,
Nudie!
Well, save us, Nudie, Dennis. Okay, Ellie, come over here. You're gonna come from behind, both of you. All right. Ellie, are you ready? Guy Razzie, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Dennis, are you ready? On your marks. Get set.